Coach, good evening. Coach, so far, how do you assess yung performance ni Ball 5 games into the conference?
I think the good thing today was that he shot his free throws better, but he still has a lot. We still have a lot to work on with him defensively. He gives us that shot blocking presence, but he still has way too many lapses on defense. Not sprinting back on transition, not calling out screens for his teammates. Again, the good thing is he's very open to suggestions and he's very open to coaching, and hopefully we can get to a level little by little where we can get up to speed to the kind of defense that we want.
So far, Coach, wala nang toyo o walang incident?
Wala, he's been he missed one practice when he had food poisoning before our Meralco game. Hindi siya naka-practice kasi tinamaan siya ng food poisoning. But other than that, he hasn't missed any practice. Hasn't been a problem, and he's always been telling his teammates, if you see me doing something wrong, let me know. Tell me. So he's very open to coaching and to communication from his teammates. But that being said, there's still a lot for him to learn. There's still a lot for him to improve on, especially on the defense.